Hi, my name is Alexandra.
Hi, my name is Nathaly.
Hi, my name is Alexandra.
The 6 W's are who, what, when, why, how, and where. Throughout this video, these questions will be answered and explained. So this is our research phase. As you can see, we looked up water rocket on instructables.com, and that's where we got all our information. So after doing extensive research on instructables.com, this was our final sketch for the water bottle rocket. It's not perfect, but
We can just, yeah. We'll be holding the bottle.
Horrible. Because of the train.
Hey, what else are we supposed to record?
When we put the little ball thing in the middle.
So this is our finished product or final product. So what we did is we got two 2-liter bottles. We cut one in half. So the Coca-Cola one we cut in half, and then the RW root beer we left that like as it is. So we cut this one and then we taped it to the bottom right here, and then we made wings with cardboard tape. Cardboard? Yeah, cardboard. And then with duct tape, we taped it, and then before we taped this one, we put a tennis ball so it could like weigh down when it's coming down. And this would be like the water chamber, as you can see in here. So we checked how much water we're putting and stuff, and then just, yeah, this is our product.
No way. How much is this?
Our numbers. What is that? 40? 20. And this is like around 60. Yeah. Hypothesis is that more water. Wow, you're so funny. It will go up. What was it?
It will go higher the more water is added. Alright, so this is the tracking part that we have to do. We have some difficulties with the video, so we had to do it frame by frame. I had to be taking the points. Therefore, the data tables were not 100% accurate, but it was the best we can do.
Action cut. Thoughts and comments on our tracker analysis, phenomena, and launching. So the phenomena was intriguing to see, and it did follow our rocket up a good distance because of all the water we had put. Our rocket did go up pretty far. We didn't expect it to go up that far, so that was pretty cool to see. Our graphs weren't as accurate as we wanted them to be, but they were accurate. We only got to launch once before we came to school the next day and realized our rocket had been stolen. Phenomenon is a factor or occurrence observed or is observable. It is also a factor or situation that is observed to exist or happen, especially one whose cause or explanation in question. So in this case, our rocket being launched is a phenomenon, but we choose to focus on the water chasing the rocket after it was launched. We observe the water chasing and helping lift off our rocket from the air pump. Air pressure was also a factor in this, but we chose to focus more so on the water chasing it. If you're confused, here's a clip on how the water chased the rocket up into the air. It's really hard to say if our hypothesis is correct. This being why is because we only got to launch once due to our rocket being stolen. So based on our first launch, we concluded that yes, our hypothesis was correct because we manipulated the amount of water in the rocket and decreased the amount of air pressure. And the rocket did go pretty far up. In conclusion, this project was pretty fun. Me and my group, all of us learned a lot about physics. I think we learned a little bit more than we would in the classroom. A problem we encountered was our rocket being stolen because we couldn't further launch it or do anything. So advice I would give to future students making this is making a backup, because people do steal your rocket for no reason, even if you have your name on it. So it's like, but other than that, just have fun and don't stress about it too much.
Didn't see you there. My name's Nathaly.
Hi, I'm Alexandra.
Hi, my name's Alexandra. 6 W's are what, where, when, who, why, how.